Hello and welcome, it's Chilli Cube. I'm here on the Sunshine Coast in Queensland. This has been a day for me of experimenting in my art room. So I have done several different kind of acrylic fluid art pours, and then I've enjoyed doing them, got different results, and I've done different colour combos. And yes, I've scraped some, or as with this one, I just brushed all the colour back into the canvas, and now I'm trying another technique, and just for fun really, I'm going to blow out some huge blooms over most of the canvas. So let's see how we go. So I've got those lovely colours there with my champagne gold, cyan blue, white, deep red and black. I'm going to use my mini Babyliss blow dryer, then it's just on low, and I'm just going to blow them out slowly and see what wonderful effects I can get on the canvas. So I'll just continue on with each one, and hopefully happy with the results.
Easy rider on the highway, station wagon going slow, windows open, you are basking in the bluegrass rain.
Yeah, I'm not happy with that one at all. It's terrible. So I will either see what a balloon will do with it. Still not 100%. I might change that in a minute, but I'll continue on with the others. But yeah, not happy with that centre one. But it was sort of a different colour combo for the rest of the blooms, so not to everybody's taste, I'm sure, but it certainly was fun doing them.
Pink azaleas by your driveway, shade our leisurely goodbyes in your terry cotton sweater. with your arms sweeping the sky. It was then I had a knowing. You were waving till the bend. I keep this folded at the corner so that I could not forget. Folded at the corner so that I could not forget.
Yeah, I'm okay with the two outside blooms, but I'm not happy with that centre one there. So I'm going to change it all and see if I can make a silk purse out of a sow's ear, so to speak. So we'll give this one another try. Remember, you can always either scrape paint, you can do what I did. I'm just adding more paint, and I'm going to blow right over the top of where I'm not happy with and see if I can get a better result. And it's just all about the fun and joy of it. Remember, your art, your rules, your way. Just have fun and enjoy the process. That's what it is for me anyway.
Past the surfing whitewashed beaches, under cypress trees and smoke, carved like lovers into driftwood. On this moment I depend. I keep this folded at the corner so that I could.
Yes, I think that's so much better. It's actually nicer to have a completely different contrasting colour there, and it sort of does look like floating blooms. Really happy with that. So I hope you like it too. That's much better. Oh, look at that. Wow. I like the colours better, I think, in that one. But it's actually nice that it's got a contrast with these floaty, dreamy little pieces. Quite happy with that one. It was using up a pre-used canvas, so I think that's lovely. I'll just wait till it dries off a little bit before I do a little bit more sort of fiddling with it, maybe, or just leave it exactly as it is. So I'm just experimenting today, seeing what I can do and how I can push these floral effects and into something different and attractive. Hope you enjoyed anyway my experimental day. So wishing you all well until next time. Bye for now.
So that I could not forget. Folded at the corner so that I could not forget. Pink azaleas by your driveway, shade our leisurely goodbyes. In your terry cotton sweater, with your arms sweeping the sky.